Now we will discuss chapter number 2 of your book, which is related to parallel and serial transmission and USB, etc. In chapter number 2 of your IGCSE book, let me show you your book first. This is your book that we are using, and in that book we are about to revise chapter number a small handout of chapter number 2 related to communication and internet technologies. And in this chapter, so far what we have done, what is meant by parallel transmission, what is meant by serial transmission. The answer he requires you to tell that parallel transmission takes 8 bits at a time for sending them to other places, and serial transmission makes use of single wire, and all 8 bits are sent one by one along with that on that wire. Then give one benefit of each type of data transmission. Of course, parallel transmission will be faster. It will carry all 8 bits together. Serial will be slower because serial will be taking one bit at a time over a long distance. So this will be serial will be a slower. But you have to mention one advantage of serial. So one advantage will be more accurate because there is no skewing, no disturbance in data, and less expensive because only one wire is being used. Synchronized because packets will be on will be all the packets will be traveling together. So these are the advantages of serial transmission. Give one application of each type. I told you earlier also that parallel is for the sake of transmission to the devices near the computer, because parallel there is a danger of skewing of data in parallel. So parallel is for use of used for communication to parallel devices, and serial is actually used for flowing of data over long distances over the internet. So parallel is used for from computer to printer, internal buses inside the CPU, and serial will be used for the transmission over the modem. Then what is meant by the term USB, universal serial bus, that cable that is used for that you use for the data transfer, etc. And now you are asked to tell the two benefits of USB and USBs. There are many benefits that are mentioned in your book, but devices are they are automatically detected. They fit only one way, so there is no error. They are an industry standard. Support multiple types of transmission speed. If you have a latest version of USBs, they are compatible with each other. Supported by many operating systems, they are backward compatible, and then faster. They are very fast in communication. So, and that was all about chapter 2. So I will discuss some other chapter